In this video, I head to Rosedale, Virginia to hike the unique geological formations known as the channels. Next, with a little bit of driving, we make our way to a free campground with an amazing view. I am hiking the channels in Saltville, Virginia. It is about 3 miles to the channels, where we should end up with some pretty interesting rock formations. It'll be about a 1,000-foot gain. The trail itself is really quiet and really wide and easy. You can see the path behind me and in front of me. And we've got Levi along with us for this one. So we'll show you more cool stuff as we get to the top. So we made it to the channels, which are really quite a labyrinth. Some of the pathways are quite big and others are quite narrow, like this one. So we are gonna poke around here a bit and try to find a good spot to hang out and have some lunch. Levi just jumping all around and making it look easy. Not gonna get through with the backpack. Okay, we'll try that again. Hi, what are you doing up there? Can you come down? Come on, let's go. Well, I just finished the hike at Canyons, and I'm headed down to the campsite I chose. It's just north of Whiteville, Virginia. It is about an hour and 15 minutes away from where I am, but it will put me back closer to the house so that my drive tomorrow is a little shorter. So I figured that's at least helpful. The weather is amazing, so hopefully it's gonna be a nice, comfortable, easy night. All right, I'm going up the road to the campground. It is a one-lane gravel road, and I have to say it already feels very secluded. I don't think I'm gonna have any problems with anyone up here besides the bee that just flew in the window. So I just made it to the lower section of the campground. You can kind of see behind me here. I am not sure if the Prius can go to the top here. I have heard that it's a bit of a bumpy ride up, so I'm gonna walk it first and see what I think. It's definitely not as bad as I thought it would be, honestly. Last little part, it looks like. Think the Prius can do it? Oh, it sure would be nice though. Check out the views behind me. Wake up here. So we will see how this goes. I did scrape a little bit in the very beginning, but I think I can make it. There's a big rock right here. It's gonna be my hardest one to get around, but fortunately the Prius has, don't get stuck. Okay, oh, okay. It has such a small wheelbase that I feel like if I'm careful I can maneuver. There, did it. I decided to get a small campfire going just so I can heat up my dinner a little bit quicker. So I am having chickpea curry and aloo methi. I don't really know if I'm saying that right, but super excited about this meal. I've done a little taste testing and it's good. So my little fire. I love this little Coleman pot. I've had it for several years and I use it all the time. It comes with these two little mugs in it as well. So for hot chocolate and coffee, Levi is stealing the garbage because it's pretty good tasting, right, buddy? What do you say? It's pretty good, huh? So what should we do while we wait? Should we go for a walk? Maybe we should do some training. Oh. So while we're waiting for food, I decided to do a quick little training sesh. Right now, Levi is working on a cutesy little behavior called bang. Ideally, he should just play dead. So, ready? Bang. Good boy. Good boy. Bang. Bang. Okay, needs a little more help. So, bang. Good boy. All right, ready? No. Lay down. Lay down. Bang. Nope. Lay down. Bang. Good boy. Good boy, Levi. Yeah, you did it. Good boy. Levi, are you hungry? All right. Good boy. And now for my turn. Look at that. It actually made quite a lot of food. I absolutely love Indian food. So this is amazing. I haven't had stuff like this in a while. I'm super excited. Got a great view behind me. Great companion. Let's give it a try. Tastes like curried chickpeas. Actually pretty good. Now this is delicious. Okay, so that's the aloo methi. I'm really not sure if I'm saying that right, but that is amazing. I am definitely going back and getting more of that. The chickpeas are good, but that's great. That's that one. Love it. It's got a little spice to it too. I hope I don't regret this later. While I was eating dinner, it started to rain, so we took refuge in the car. I didn't expect it to last this long. It's been raining for about 30-45 minutes. You can see Levi is pretty bored with it. I was hoping to get a chance to get him one more walk before bedtime, but now with the rain and wet feet, I think we might just go to bed early. And that way we can get up early and do a morning walk instead. But I've got to change clothes and get ready for bed. So, and all ready for bed. Cleaned, washed, ready to go to sleep. So I'm going to attempt to crawl back here if somebody can make some room for me. Hi, he's well rested. He's been sleeping this whole time. It is still drizzling outside, so, and it's getting late. How am I supposed to get back there? Not his concern. Okay, let's see how this goes. So, we are going to make some room, buddy. Okay, move. Move. Okay. Woo. Nice. I'm really not sure which way I'm going to lay yet. I'm going to figure that out here in a minute. Just putting up some safety items I like to have handy. Why don't you guys come on back here with me? Oh, okay. There we go. So, here we are. Not quite set up yet, but we're getting there. We're getting there. Just give us a few more minutes. All right, well, it is about 9:30. I stayed up a little later than I thought I would, but it did take me a few minutes to figure out how to set up the car. I am going to sleep with my head towards the back. Not a lot of headroom here, but it does give me more room to stretch out with my feet towards the front of the car, so you can kind of see that way. I've got the passenger seat down, the driver's seat's ready to go. There's a fan set up blowing on me there. That light won't come down. And there's another fan over here. And then of course we have Levi, who has somehow or another buried his head down in a crack there. So he is already out for the night. I think I am going to do the same here. So let's get these lights turned out. Oh, a little up close there. There we go. There goes light number one. And this is just a little dollar store book light. And I have two of them in the Prius. And I think they're great. So get all nice and cozy, covered up. and say until tomorrow, good night.